So in this room we have German roaches and bed bugs.
Too bad. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today's video, we're going to do a walkthrough with our pest control expert, Justin Lord from Blueprint Pest Control. And he's going to give us kind of a rundown of what to do when you have bed bugs in your apartments. So I hope you enjoy the video. If you don't mind hitting that like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment with what type of stuff that you would like to see when it comes to apartment renovation. All right, what is this machine?
It's a fogger, and it has a tank in the bottom of it where it has a product. And it's a pretty simple unit. You plug it in the wall, and it's not a fumigation, but it's basically like that. It fogs the whole attic and kills the silverfish, wasp, roaches, anything that lives up there.
Why do you put it in the attic and not in the space that people live in? Do most of the roaches go up in the attic to live and stuff?
They live in the attic more than they do anywhere.
This is kind of a nightmare. So I'll have to put that over there.
Ooh. Tell us about like the different bugs that you're going to get taken care of up here. I'm sure there's bed bugs, and what else is up here?
So in this room we have German roaches and bed bugs, which is the two worst you really want to have. Up here, those are little blood spots from bed bugs.
So they get up there and just poop? What is?
Yeah, that's dry blood from people that they've been feeding on, and you wouldn't see it, but the eggs are the color of rice, about the eighth of the size of a grain of rice. So they're sticky, they can get on anything, and you can easily transport them into other houses.
How do you plan on getting rid of the bed bugs?
So in this situation, everything's taken out. The apartment is completely empty, no furniture. So what we do is we use residual sprays and dusts in the outlets. We'll take the outlets off and dust in behind that, and we'll treat thoroughly around the doors, windows, floors, baseboards, up the corners of the walls, where the ceiling meets the walls, in the closet, and yeah, that's a bed bug treatment.
That's a bed bug right there too.
That is a German roach nymph. This right here is German roaches, opposed to, see that's a bed bugs, that's all bed bugs, but German roaches are making these marks over here, and it looks kind of similar, but...
Is this poop?
Yes, that's from German roaches.
God, like where?
This is Delta dust. Yeah, so this is an easy treatment for bed bugs because there's no furniture in it or no one's living in it, so it's completely empty, so it's very simple. So what I do is focus on the floor, we treat the floor, and go up the corners of the walls, go up every corner on the walls and go around the windows, and the doors, the closets.
Where do the bed bugs like to live?
Well, they, anywhere that's warm, like where people live. They will get in behind pictures on the wall, in between crevices, inside the bed frame, in the outlets. They'll get inside the box spring. Usually they're going to be under the box spring, in between the bed frame and the box spring normally. They like to be closer towards the head of the bed, because that's where your CO2 is coming from and all your heat that's coming from your body. So they're usually likely going to be where the headboard is first. As time progresses, amount of bed bugs there are, they will start spreading throughout the rest of the house and the room later.